Why do some people return from Thailand saying this was the best trip of my life, while others quietly say it wasn't what I expected? Same country, same beaches, same cities. So what actually makes the difference? Stay till the end because the answer might completely change how you travel. I have traveled across Thailand from crowded Bangkok streets to silent island sunsets. And what I have learned is simple. Thailand doesn't reward fast travelers. It rewards aware travelers. If this is your first time visiting Thailand, this video might save your trip. Most people book Thailand imagining a postcard, perfect beaches, cheap luxury, non-stop fun, and easy nightlife. But here's the real question. Is Thailand actually easy to travel? The honest answer? Yes and no. Thailand is welcoming, but only if you understand its rhythm. It's exciting, but only if you don't fight it. Let me ask you something. When you travel, are you trying to collect places or experience moments? Because Thailand punishes checklist travelers and it quietly rewards those who slow down. The biggest mistake first-time travelers make is trying to see too much too fast. And that's where disappointment begins. I have seen travelers with small budgets have the best experiences and travelers in luxury hotels feel stressed. Why? Because Thailand responds to energy. When you rush, it becomes chaotic. When you relax, it opens up. This isn't philosophy, this is Thailand. But here's the most important question. What is the one mindset that separates travelers who fall in love with Thailand from those who feel lost and overwhelmed? I'll answer that in a while. Thailand runs on invisible rules. Soft voices, calm body language, respect before expectation. When you follow these rules, things go smoothly. Taxis help you, locals guide you, situations resolve themselves. Ignore them and even small problems feel big. So what is that one mindset? It's simple. Travel Thailand like a guest, not a customer. The moment you stop demanding experiences and start accepting them, Thailand changes. You don't just visit places, you feel welcome, and that's why some people never stop coming back. In this series, I'll show you how to avoid mistakes no one talks about. how to enjoy cities like Bangkok, Phuket, Pattaya the right way, and how to experience Thailand with respect, safety, and confidence. Because Thailand doesn't come with instructions, but once you understand it, it stays with you forever. If Thailand is on your list, stay with this series. It might change how you travel forever. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please consider to hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more such content. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, please enjoy yourself with whatever makes you happy. Take care.